you have finished this, then you put the whole thing into the icy water and let it soak for a few minutes. It should come out, something like this. Now, isn't that great? There you are. This is a beautiful green onion flour that you can do. Now, the second dish is very simple. This is the orange basket. Now, you cut the end a little bit like this. Any orange will do. And you get a piece of bamboo skewer like this, so that you can prevent all this cut. There you are. It won't cut through. And then you can use your cleaver to go cut like this. Oh, see, there you are. If you want to go fancy, you can use my decorated knife. Now, this is a fantastic thing, because once you cut it like this, you can make the dish look even more beautiful. Some of the big hotels and famous restaurants, they use my decorated knife, like that. Now, once you have done this, you can scoop it out, everything, and then clean it up, both sides. Very simple. Now, you can use a knife to clean up this middle here, and then away you go. And then, if you scoop up everything, you can use it as a sauce basket, just like that. Now, then the next thing is a lemon. Okay, let's go to the lemon, and you look at the lemon like this. At the bottom of this part, then you just make a little crescent cut. Represents the mouth of something. Okay, then you turn it over and make two little flap here. One here. Now, don't cut it all the way, otherwise you lose the lemon wing. Okay, then what happened? Then over here, now, at the bottom here, you can make a little cut so that it will stay still. Just like that. Ha, ha, ha. It's laughing at me already. Then you can, right here, you can get your drill, Black & Decker, whatever it is. And then make a couple drill and use 2 pieces of cloves and then stick it in. There you are. That becomes the eye. And then if you use a piece of the end part of the green onion and a toothpick, now just do it like this, that becomes the tail of this little pig. Isn't that interesting? That you put it back right on, and you can hide everything. Hi, away you go. Then the next thing is the apple bird. Very simple. To make the apple into a bird, first of all, you cut the bottom part of the apple just like this. And then you do a cut like that. And then the other way. Now, very simple. And go the sideways. Okay. Now, just like that. Remove this. Do the same thing on the other side. Now, use the horizontal cut. This is a beautiful way to use your cleaver. It's very clever cleaver. Now, then you move this aside, and then go, and then cut this vertical cut. Now, one side here, and turn around. You go the other one there. Just use the same technique. Then keep going. If you have time, you can cut as many times as you want, really. How can you divide 17 apples equally between 20 boys? The best way to do it is to make the apple sauce. Then you can make the good number, isn't it? Now, after you cut this thing, just stack this thing up. Away you go and put it on the other side. Now, I just happened to another piece of the apple that is done like that so that we can save you time. Now, there. Then what do? You still have some more thing, right here. Use this part of the apple, just like that. Cut the letter C, just like this. Now, okay. And then use this part of the apple to make the head. Now, then you get a small piece of a toothpick. All you have to do, just attach this part right here to that part. Okay, that becomes the neck and head. And then use this, and away you go. It becomes a little apple bird. Very easy. All you need a little bit imagination. Okay, there you are. I put it right here, and then you can go ahead and do it. Now, then the next one is the cucumber. For the cucumber, you cut a piece of cucumber like that, and then cut into the shape like this. Now, make sure you make some of the thin slices, just like this. Make about 5, very thin, using your nice paring knife. Okay. After you have done that, all you have to do, just turn it around, and then bend all those cut pieces, just like that. Then it becomes a beautiful cucumber fan. Now, anybody can do it. All you need is a little bit of imagination and, of course, practice. Away you go. Now, this is a nice little watermelon time. Very simple. I want to turn this into something. All you have to do, just cut it like that. Okay. Now, and then on this side, You just go, oh boy, this is a lot of watermelon. Okay, a little bit. Now you will see this. Later on, you will agree with me that this is excellent carving for parties. Now you get this. Beautiful. Then what happened? You use a scoop, a metal scoop, to take off all the inside. Just like that. Okay, now get a metal scoop and then clean the inside. Oh, now isn't that fast and interesting? And you have time, you can do this in the summer. Get the children to do that so that you can walk together. Hey, there you are. Then what happened? Now, then we need something from this part of the watermelon. Okay, now then you cut this and then you make a little handle. Okay, I'm going to make the handle out of this. Why not? Walk the heck. Now there you are. Oh, lots of watermelon right here. Use a little paring knife. Now just go like this. Make the handle. Handle it carefully. That's what they say. Okay, now there you are. Oh boy, this is going to be a lot of fun. Okay, now then what happened? Then you use a couple pieces of bamboo skewer. Now see, here's a watermelon. Now we are going to cut the bottom so that it will stay still. Okay, don't walk away. Now see, stay still. That's the best way to go. Okay. Now then, all you have to do now is just hang on to this part of the watermelon with this long toothpick or the bamboo skewer. And then you just stick this thing right on top here. Oh, this is a little bit long, isn't it? But it's good. Now, then you can go just like that and then become a little handle of the baby buggy. And all you need, just some of this thing, the little orange wheel with a little bit red cherry. You can have a 4-wheel little baby buggy. Very easily done and very attractively done. And you can put it on this side so that it becomes a 4-wheeler. 4-wheeler. And then you can fill up the whole thing with a lot of this fresh cocktail, fruit cocktail. Oh, different color. Now, isn't that gorgeous? You know, just like that. Oh boy, you can pick it up. Just go like this. And then if you want to make it fancy, get some of the paper umbrella. That will look good and gorgeous, you know, like that. Okay, I put it right here. Now, another nice thing to do is this, what we call the carrot tree. Now, you just need a piece of carrot like that and a green pepper like this. All you need, just a little bit V-cut, just like here. Now, watch this. Now, isn't that exciting? Okay, now we got lots of time. If you can watch this carefully, need some practice, and away you go. Now, you want to make it fancy, all you have to do, just cut the side like this. Just like that. This is exciting. Now, okay. Now, then all you have to do, just put this part of the green pepper there. And then you use a small piece of toothpick to secure it in position from the top. Now, see? You can use a hammer, actually the handle from the cleaver. Isn't that clever? You should get one. Nobody should walk without this. So here is a little palm tree. Let me get all those things organized for you. There you are. Now, and then I want to tidy up a little bit on my watermelon buggy because it looks so terrific. Put another of this baby paper umbrella. Okay, one more thing. I want to show you this carrot butterfly. Now look at this carrot. You cut a piece of carrot to the shape like this, and on top of the carrot, you just go like this. Do a little V-cut on the top, turn it over, do a V-cut at the bottom. That's right. And V-cut on the side. See? So you go all those things, and then on the other side, and then left and right. Just like the political party. You have the right-wing party and left-wing party. Now, and on the top here, you just make a little bit more V. V out, just like that. Okay? Fantastic. Now, just go one more, like this. Okay. Now, that's great. Now, then, after you make this pattern, so anytime you make a little slice, it's always butterfly. And they are free. No charge. Hey, isn't that exciting? Now, see, you can use it to do all the cooking. Just right there. Now, see, I put some here and some there and all kinds of fancy little things that you can do. All right, now, The next thing I'm going to do is showing you how to make a little rolls with this cucumber. Okay, now you cut the little cucumber end like this. Now watch this now. When it comes like this, they just use a knife, go up, and then come down. That becomes one petal of the flower. And then go again, up, and then down. Now, okay, up, and then down. And then what goes up must come down. Okay, normally you make about 4 or 5 of this thing. And then once you make that, now let's see, we do one more, and then see what happens. Okay. Then you do a little bit, what do you call the ring cut? Now go around here and use a little paring knife. Just go around. Now watch the way I hold my paring knife. I'm using the finger to prevent me from going too far and cut the other finger. I don't want it because otherwise I will lose my finger. That's not very good. Now, after you make the cut, it becomes like this. And then you just smooth it a little bit more so that it will make the inside look better. Okay? Now, that's all you have to do. And then remove this part. And then what happened? We need a small piece of the red cherry. That's right. Now, not yet. We are doing great. And all we have to do, just put this thing here, this beautiful flower. Now, just stick a little bamboo skewer right there, right here, so that you can cover it with a red cherry. Now, that becomes a special cucumber flower. Now, all this carving are very easy to do, as you can see. Now, I give you a good look on this. Look at my bird, you know, it's coming right here, going well. And then if you want to make the bird look good, all you have to do, just get a piece of this cloth, put it on one side. Now, that becomes the eyeball of this apple bird right here. Eye to eye. You can do it, you know, on both sides, and the whole thing will look terrific. Now, this is one of the few art that you can make the dish look beautiful. At the same time, you can eat it. Very unusual. I encourage you to try it, and you will like it. I hope you have enjoyed this video presentation. Our dishes were prepared in less than 50 minutes, giving you the fantastic result to satisfy everyone that you know. They will go wild with your decorative carving. It is one of the few arts that you can eat after the display. That is fantastic. You will think that was special? Wait until you see my special offer. Walk and deal. First, my anti-hunker device can create an excellent conversational piece to provide a sure grip experience for people from all walks of life. Only $2 can provide you an insurance that you will never go hungry again, even in front of your Chinese friends. These 2 special cookbooks contain millions of dollars information to turn you into a happy cooker. Lots of colorful pictures with easy-to-follow recipes, a must in Chinese cooking. Without this clever cleaver, you will have to spend hundreds of dollars to buy all the fancy knives. Only a clever investment of $6 will get you this all-purpose cleaver. What party would be complete without an apple bird and lemon pig? My easy-to-follow cover is only $3. Here is the mail order information. Walk a deal. Items can be ordered individually for the cost of the item plus postage and handling. Or all 5 items can be ordered for only $27. Send your check or money order to Wok With Yan, P.O. Box 100, Bellingham, Washington, 98227-0100. Thank you. Till we walk again. Goodbye.